Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we go about creating an automatic table of contents in our Microsoft Word 2016 program. So I've set up a Microsoft APA template here, and I need to insert a table of contents. So let's see how we go about doing this. So I'm going to scroll down here, and the first thing we have to do is we have to identify the different headers on our page. So I'm going to begin by selecting this one here, and I'm going to say that this is going to be a header 1. So I'm going to go over here on my Home tab underneath the styles, and I'm going to select header 1. So I've identified that as header 1, and I'm going to scroll down here until I come to my next header, which is also a header 1. Then further down we have our header 2s. So I'm going to identify this one as being a header 2. To get to this, I'll pull down this window here, and I'll find my header 2. Here it is. I've got that one identified. Here's another header 2. Here's another header 2. And then I have my conclusion, which will make that a header 1. And finally, I'll go down here to my references. I'll identify this as also a header 1. So we're now ready to go ahead and create this table of contents. So let's go back up here, and we're going to place this table of contents on our next page here right after the cover page. Now to do this, we're just going to go to References, and from here we're going to go to Table of Contents. Hold this down, and from here you can select the different types or the different formats for your table of contents. So we can select either 1 or we can select 2. Let's go ahead and select 1. And you'll see here that we have our table of contents in place. So we can do edits within inside of the table of contents itself, like so. And I can also go down here and make any changes to any of my headers. And that will also be tracked automatically back up inside of the table of contents as well. Additionally, I can change any of the heading styles that I want. For instance, I decided that this one here needs to be a 3rd level or a 4th level header. I can just highlight it, and I can go up here and I can find the heading style that I want to use, pull this down. For instance, I want it to be a level 3 heading, or even a level 4, or even a level 5 heading. I can then change it automatically by going back up in here into the different styles. And so that's going to conclude how we go about creating an automatic table of contents in our Microsoft Word 2016 program. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns about any of the information that was presented to you in this short video presentation, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.